Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Once again welcome back to your class Ravi Sarji Maths, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics from standard 9 to 12th. Students, in our previous video lecture of standard 9th, we have studied how to plot the point on the graph. Students, we are continuing the same chapter over here and just practicing few questions to make your concept clear. Okay students, in our today video lesson we have considered 3 questions. These 3 questions we will practice in such a way that the concepts of whole the chapter will be cleared. And 3 questions over here. The first question is what? Plot the following points and write the name of figure obtained by joining them in the order. These 4 points are in this way. In second question, you will have to plot the point having order x and y given by the following table. Means you will have to make the order of in the form of xy. So you can order 2 4 4 2 and so on. And in third question, plot the following point and check whether they are collinear or not. So collinear means, students, these points are lies on the same line or not. Okay. So let's start. Plot the following point and write the name of the figure by joining them in order. Okay students, so we know that how to plot the Cartesian plane. So first of all, plotting the Cartesian plane over here, this is vertical and horizontal line where they intersect, that is origin. This is x and x dash, y and y dash. Just write to the 0 on x-axis. There will be positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and left to the 0 on x-axis there will be negative integers -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Similarly, in upper half plane of x-axis on y-axis there will be positive integer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and similarly in lower half plane of x-axis on y-axis there will be negative integers -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Students, we know that this is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. In first quadrant the point will be in the form of plus x and plus y. In second quadrant the point will be in the form of minus x plus y. In third quadrant the point will be in the form of minus x minus y. In fourth quadrant x will be plus and y will be minus. Okay students, on the basis of this concept we will plot this point on this Cartesian plane. The first point is P, -3 and 2, means the value of x is -3 and the value of y is 2. So -3 and the value of y is 2. So joining these 3 points, so we are getting a point P over here. X is -3 and y is 2. So we can write P -3 and 2. Okay student. Q -7 and -3. X is -7. X is what? -7. X is -7 and y is -3. So x is -7, y is -3. So plotting this point, so we are getting Q over here. So coordinate of Q is what? -7, -3. Now R. X is 6 and y is -3. X is plus 6 and y is -3. X is 6, y is -3. So the point will be over here. X is plus 6, y is -3. The point will be here, right? X is plus 6, y is -3. So we can write R 6 and -3. Okay student. Now S. X is 2 and y is also 2. X is 2 and y is 2. So x is 2, y is 2. Okay. So this is what S. So we can write 2 and 2. Now students, what we have to do over here, write the name of the figure obtained by joining them in order. So start from P. So P, Q, then R, and then S, then SP. So students, it's look like trapezium. What is trapezium? In trapezium, opposite sides are, one pair of opposite sides will be parallel, right? One pair of opposite sides will be parallel. So you can determine which kinds of figure over here. This is trapezium. Okay students, so quadrilateral PQRS is a trapezium. Right students, this is your conclusion. Now the next question, plot the point XY given by the following table. Here the variable X and Y are given with different order pair. Okay students, again we will plot the Cartesian plane over here, vertical line and horizontal line, right? This is what? Origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And left side of x-axis, there will be negative integers, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. And on y-axis, in upper half plane of x, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this is y and this is y dash. This will be -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Right students, we have to make the order pair in the form of x and y. Means x is 2, y is 4. What is? X is 2, y is 4. So x is 2, y is 4. It means the point will be over here. So consider this is A, having coordinate point 2, 4. Right? Second order pair 4 and 2. X is 4, y is 2. X is 4, y is 2. Means it will be here. So this is point B. The coordinates are 4 and 2. 4 and 2. Next, x is -3 and y is 0. X is -3, y is 0. Means don't need to move on y direction. So coordinate, suppose this is C, -3 and 0. Right student? -2 and 5. X is -2, y is +5. X is -2, y is +5. So the point will be here. Suppose this is D, -2 and 5. Then x is 3, y is -3. X is 3, y is -3. Means this will be in the fourth quadrant. X is +3, y is -3. Suppose this is E, having coordinates 3 and -3. And finally 0, 0. Means x is 0 and y is 0. Obviously it will be on origin. So we can write 0, 0. Right students, now moving to the final questions of today's video lesson. So first of all, we should clear the definition of collinearity. What are collinear points? The points which are lies on the same line. The point which are lies on the same line, those points are known as collinear points. Again, collinear points means points lie on the same line. The points lies on the same line, those points are said to be collinear points. Okay students, here there are 3 questions. So we will check these 3 questions with a different graph. Right students? So we will not get confused which 3 points we will have to take on a line. Right? So for the first one, A, let us plot a Cartesian plane. Right? This is for B. And this is for C. Right? So first of all, x and y axis. For x and y axis, these are what? 1 2 3 4, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, here will be plus 1 2 3 4, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, right? So this will be y dash and here will be x dash. So for question A, these points are 1 3. So first of all 1 and 3, x is 1, y is 3, means it will be here. Next is x is minus 1, y is minus 1, x is minus 1, y is minus 1, means point will be here. X is minus 2, y is 3, x is minus 2 and y is 3, so this point will be here. So by joining these points, so A is, these points are linear, collinear, right students? So we can write what these points are collinear points, okay, because these points lies on the same line. For the second one, this is what x, y, x dash, this is y dash. 1 2 3 4, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4, 1 2 3 4, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. Let us check the second one, B. X is 1, y is 1. So x is 1, y is 1, x is also 1 and y is 1. X is minus 1, y is minus 1, x is minus 1, y is minus 1. So the point will be here. X is minus 2, y is minus 3, x is minus 2 and y is minus 3, right? X is minus 2, y is minus 3. So the point will be here, right? So joining these points, again these are collinear, right? Now the final one is 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, here is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 and minus 4, 1 2 3 4. This is x, y, this will be x dash, y dash, okay student. X is 0, y is 0, obviously it will be on the origin. X is 2, y is 2, x is 2, y is 2, x is 5, y is 5, x is plus 5, y is plus 5. So here will be plus x5 and y is plus 5. So again it will be also collinear. So you can write what? This is also collinear point. Okay students, if you will plot this point on the graph paper, you will get clear too much, because it may be the human error, because I am not using the scale over here, I am not using the graph paper, I am just clearing your concept how to plot the point on the graph. Okay students, here we are completing today video lesson. I hope you have understood. For more video lesson of this chapter, keep watching your channel Ravi Sir Ji Maths. Thank you once again.